If you think you need a huge audience, tons of subscribers, tons of views to make money with your YouTube channel, I'm here to tell you you're wrong. So I ran the numbers today because I was curious how much I made from a small channel I have. This channel has 1,700 something subscribers, and I started this channel in January of 2024. So I've had it a little bit over 2 years, and this channel has made me over $40,000. I was literally mind blown. Like, I knew the channel was making money, but to just write it out and see how much I made, I don't know. It's just crazy. And it's really like just opened my eyes to just how much money you can make on YouTube when you learn how to position your content, what type of content to make, and things like that. Now I'm gonna break down the income. I have to write it down just so I can hit the exact numbers. And then I'm just gonna talk about things I've learned, you know, when it comes to making money on YouTube, because that's what I'm all about, is, you know, building channels that actually make money. And then just how you could do the same, because you can do this, I feel, you know, across different niches. It's not just one niche. So the first thing is brand deals. So this made 2,736. All right, we got to pause for this cute cat. Hey, buddy. I think he's lost. There's a collar on him. All right, I gotta go, buddy. The second thing is AdSense. So that was 2,949. And the third thing is Amazon Associates. So this is pretty much affiliate marketing, making money from when people click on my affiliate links and buy stuff. This was 20,991. And then creator rewards. So this is part of Amazon Associates. If you hit a certain amount of ship revenue from the products you're selling, you get a reward. So that was 14,130. The total was 40,779. Now this is the crazy part and just a crazy realization about this. This channel started earning within 30 days. And also this channel is outperforming, or has outperformed, my bigger channel, which is this one. This channel has what, 36,000 subscribers, and it's probably not even close to that amount. So, and I want to break down now like why this channel has been able to hit these income numbers. And that's because from the get-go, I had a monetization plan. I knew from the get-go that I wanted to mainly monetize through affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates, just because I had seen the power of that with this channel right here. And the next thing, this channel is focused on buyer intent. This is what I mentioned earlier about just specific content, how you position your content. So the content, when people watch it, they are likely to buy. So this is a product review channel. So the buyer intent is very high, right? People are researching products. They want to find information. And then if you can deliver on the content, they click your affiliate link. That's how you're getting paid. Also, the content, some of my content with these product reviews is solution based. And I'm positioning the product to solve a problem that the person has. I'll give you an example. We have a lot of pets, right? So people with a lot of pets, they're struggling to clean their house, dealing with pet hair. So that's the way I positioned one of my review videos with the product, which was a Abyssal vacuum. And I targeted specifically people that struggle with, you know, households that have a lot of pet hair. And the last thing is focusing on SEO content, evergreen content. So if you understand SEO, you know that YouTube is a search engine. So focusing on key terms, which are content that people are searching for, and they type in this stuff, they find your content. So that's how I'm driving all this consistent traffic to my videos. And then the content is evergreen because of the things I'm talking about, right? This is content that people are always going to be searching for, and this content is always going to be in demand. For example, household products, fitness, health, finance, that's all like evergreen type of content. So this channel is a mixture of content. Obviously, I'm making money from the content, but also, and this is what I teach on this channel, I'm tapping into my skills. So that's the brand deal side, and that's something that continues to grow. I'm leveraging my skills that I've learned from being a content creator since 2016 to create content for brands. And because I built it out, my catalog, my consistency as a content creator, I feel like I make good content. It's content that converts and actually makes money. It attracts brands and they reach out to me. And then, you know, I pitch my services and things I can do for their content. They pay me to make content for their products. So this is proof that you can monetize quickly within 30 to 60 days if you make the right content, if you have a strategy, if you have a plan, and you don't need crazy amounts of views. You don't need to focus on virality, getting thousands of subscribers. You don't need any of that stuff. And see, that's the problem that I used to have, and I see a lot of creators, you know, making these same mistakes. It's they don't have a plan with the channel monetization plan. They're waiting too long or feel like they have to wait long to monetize. This is the problem I had with my second channel, which is this channel. I thought I had to wait to start offering digital products and making money from my channel. I think I had told myself I need to wait until 5,000 subscribers, which is just ridiculous. And then just not focusing on content that has buying intent and really leaning into that. Those are like the biggest problems I see with content creators, usually newer creators, or I would even say some experienced creators who just, they just don't know how to, you know, what the right type of content is to make to generate money. Yeah, this is something I believe, I wouldn't say anyone can do, but it's very possible. Obviously, you have to put in work, you have to understand YouTube, and you have to have strategy. But you can do this, and you can do this across multiple niches. And this stuff has been life-changing for me. I do this full time. I've been full time for, I can't remember, I suck at remembering stuff, probably going on about 2 years now, and that's from leveraging my skills from starting a YouTube channel in 2016, and then just also understanding how to leverage YouTube. Once again, I'm looking at YouTube from a business aspect and making money aspect, and then understanding the right type of content to make. And this is what I teach on the channel. I have some free resources that can help you make money from your content and skills. You can check those out in the video description. And if you have any questions about how to make money from your content on YouTube, you can leave your questions down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Peace.